Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, August 21st, the end of week 2 of 3rd grade. Today, you will enter your Google Classroom. There it is. And after you watch this morning message, you'll go ahead and enter our classroom. And you will click on Friday. And once you're on Friday, you will start with your word work. Today, you're going to be using your vocabulary words. Here is your vocabulary words. It tells you each word and what they mean. And underneath your vocabulary list, you have your choice board for your vocabulary. This is just like the spelling choices we did yesterday. But instead of your spelling words, you're going to be using your vocabulary words for these choices. For vocabulary choices, you have 8 choices, and you need to choose one to do using your vocabulary words. You can act out your vocabulary words for a family member and have them guess what you're acting out. That's a fun one. You can draw and color words that represent the meaning of the vocabulary words. Draw and color pictures, not words. Pictures that represent the meaning of the vocabulary words. You can write sentences, number 5, with your vocabulary words. You can even write a short story using your vocabulary words. If you really want to be creative today, you can get a magazine and cut pictures or words out of the magazine that show the meaning of the vocabulary word. So, for example, if the word is concentrate, you might look through a magazine and find a picture of somebody reading. You could cut that out and put it on, glue it on a piece of paper to make a collage. Then for the word 8, you might want to find somebody with a headache or maybe medicine or laying down, and that could be what you cut out for the word 8. This is a fun one if you want to be creative and you have a little extra time. You only need to choose one from the choice board for your vocabulary today. After you finish your vocabulary choice, you are going to move on to reading, and you're going to finish your Lexia Core 5. Lexia Core 5 is our reading program. Right when you log on to Lexia Core 5, you're going to see a minutes goal on the first page. Most of us have a goal of 40 minutes per week for now. So today you're probably going to need about 20 minutes, as long as you did 20 minutes on Monday when we did Lexia. Your job is to finish your minutes goal and fill up the little circle when you log on to Lexia Core 5. After your Lexia, today you're going to spend a little time on Myon. Myon is like an online library. When you click Myon, it will look like this right here, Myon on Clever, and watch the video on how to use Myon, and it will teach you how to find books on Myon to read. Then take a break, have a snack, and come to our Zoom meeting. Today's Zoom meeting is going to be a little different than normal. We're going to do some one-on-one reading with Mrs. Woodward. So this is going to be our schedule for today's Zoom meeting. We're going to meet as a whole class at 10 o'clock until 10:10 to take attendance and do our morning activities like our question. Then all our students are going to be put in the waiting room, and I'm going to let you in to the Zoom meeting at the time by your name. That's the time that you will have 5 minutes to read out loud with me, so I can learn more about what type of reader you are, so I can start helping with reading a little bit more for you. So this will be a little bit different. While you're waiting in the Zoom waiting room, you're going to be doing some assignments. You can read another book on Myon and take an AR quiz, and you can also work on your gold stars on IXL while you're waiting. So you're still working the whole time on Zoom, just you're in the waiting room until I call you in for your meeting with me so we can read together one-on-one. That means by ourselves. That will be our day today. Don't forget, today is also Fun Friday. So you need 5 points today, and hopefully you'll get 25 points because Fun Friday is at 1 o'clock today. Fun Friday will be at 1 o'clock today. So make sure you're getting your points so we can have a good time. Okay? Have a good morning, and I will see you at 10 o'clock.